many lift kits do we have scheduled between now and Thursday? Like, everybody wants to wait until right before Thanksgiving to get their lift kits or anything done to their vehicle, and we have way over scheduled for the week. So the goal, we have 2 to 3 lift kits per day, and I think a lowering kit squeezed in there as well. So first one on the block today, or first one to go on the lift today, 2023 F-150, 6-inch lift, getting some 37s. We got a 2022 Yukon behind me getting a lowering kit, and we've got a 2022 Silverado getting a lift kit and some 37s back there today. Can it be done before Thanksgiving? Because you guys like to wait until the last minute. Let's wait and see. Operation Get Brandon Fat.
Alright, hiding it. We're on Operation Get You Fucking Thick, buddy.
Today, for lunch, I would like a really good piece of pizza from somewhere other than the big 3.
Not Papa John's.
Not Domino's. Not Pizza Hut. Not Little Caesars. One of those back home places, you know what I'm talking about?
It's 10 o'clock and we're talking about lunch.
What's for lunch?
That's how the day normally progresses. It's busy until like 9 o'clock. We end up getting, you know, some kind of work done between now and 10:30, and then it becomes lunchtime until 2 o'clock.
It's the only thing I got to look forward to during the day. What do we eat?
Every shop in the country, I feel like, understands that you get this like just rush of people that want to get everything done right before the holiday and then get upset that everybody else is doing the same thing. And that's what we're dealing with right now. It's not like we had the full month of October to get lift kits done. No. Or the full month of November. Everybody, can you get me in before the holiday? So that's what we're stuck with this week. We got 3 to 4 lift kits every day.
This pizza though.
On top of everything else. They've got the F-150 just about knocked out already. They're working really good on that one, and they're doing the lowering kit on the Yukon. And then we've got the High Country coming in next, on top of some other cool stuff that's out there, on top of everything that's gonna get dropped off tomorrow. But that pizza though, yeah, it's kind of hitting a spot right now for me.
Supreme pizza, bunch of toppings on it. Ooh. A little garlic.
Ooh.
And a little ranch dressing, dip it in. Ooh.
Quick little in and out for the day. Now, we didn't build this truck, but I feel like I've seen this truck on social media a couple of times. Behind me, 2024 Chevy High Country 3500. 26-inch JTX wheels with the amp tires, absolutely beautiful. Lowered the torsion keys a little bit and swapped out some rear blocks. And I think we've got it sitting just about level all the way around, but a little zone 3.5 to 4-inch kit, 26-inch JTX wheels with the amps. You got the Fox dual reservoir shocks up front and rear with the Kryptonite upper control arm. Super clean setup. Something about this 3500, I'm a big fan of the High Countries. Everybody likes the Denali's. Everybody wants the new 2024 Denali, but I'm standing on the hill of wanting the 2024 High Countries to make a comeback. I need to lift a 2024 High Country. So if you guys are watching and you want to build a big, huge 2024 High Country, please let me be your test dummy. I am here for it, but this one turned out really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you guys a fan of the 2024 High Country front end or the Denali? So me and Jake seem to eat the same 5 things up here all the time. Probably 3 things. Chicken Run, Chick-fil-A, and...
Since we're on a diet, we decided to get a medium.
Yeah, he found this pizza place online, and just look at feel the weight of that thing. Feel the weight. The weight of this is on a little medium pizza.
This is called Life on the Ranch.
Life on the Ranch. Chicken Bacon Ranch pizza for the boys. Yeah, we definitely didn't need the large, that's for sure. Oh, look at that. Oh, just fire. Absolute fire.
I have to eat it on camera too.
Ooh, oh, absolutely. I'm making you do it. Gas.
So good.
Ooh. First truck of the week done. It's about 4:45. They got this one done about 2 o'clock. 6-inch rough country on the 2023 F-150. Kept the factory wheels. We did 1.5-inch spacers all the way around. Now this new rough country lift kit, you don't need the 2-inch spacers. You can run these lift kits with the 20-inch factory wheel without spacers, but we just wanted the spacers to have that little bit of an aggressive look, and I didn't want to run the chance of the 37 1250s hitting on the control arm of the spindle. So 37 1250 20 Nitto Ridge Grappler, we keep these in stock. Great tire for the money, best ride. You guys know I'm a Nitto fan, so we gotta have Nittos on every truck possible. 37s, 20-inch factory wheels, spacers, 2023 F-150, beautiful color. Absolutely love the color and the color match. Quick in and out build on a Monday. Love how this one turned out. And then we did finish up our Yukon over here as well. Super simple, first Beltec lowering kit that we've done on one of these GMC Yukons. This one's actually an AT4. So we ended up doing the spindles and not the spindles, sorry, we ended up doing, look at this Saturn over here. I need to get this thing driving again. I still got a caliper that's locked up on this. We ended up doing the struts in the front and lowering struts in the rear on the Beltec. Give it a little 2-inch drop all the way around. Nothing crazy. Got this one finished up a couple hours ago as well. The honest truth of what we do up here is we would have had the high country done today as well. The white high country is getting the 6-inch rough country 37s, keeping the factory wheels too. But rough country left the cross members out of the box, out of the kit. Isn't that right, Jake? Rough country, love rough country to death, but this is what happens on Mondays that nobody, I never put this kind of stuff in the videos, but rough country left the cross members out of the box, or one of them at least, so.
And also, somebody delivered one of my 4 fuel wheels for the Tacoma.
Yeah, so a Tacoma that's getting a lift kit today and some wheels. We're missing 3 or 4 of the wheels, and we're missing cross members, and that's something that normally never makes the videos, but
it happens every day.
It happens a lot more than you think. I'm up early today. Starting early today. Day number 2. I got Eaton from Charleston, South Carolina. I need to check and see because the 2 builds we did yesterday, I think the one guy was from a couple hours away. I'll have to check on that one, the F-150 that we did yesterday. But day number 2, we've got Eaton here from Worm. What's up? We got Eaton here from Charleston, South Carolina. Getting a Mcgaughys kit today, silver kit. Special to my heart because I just took a silver kit off my truck. And I think I found something special that we're gonna do with my Mcgaughys kit personally. I don't think I'm gonna do a giveaway anymore, but I've got something special, so you guys need to stay tuned. We're gonna be building a truck on the channel with that kit. But 2018 Denali, just like Denali King's up here, getting a 9-inch Mcgaughys kit today, the silver one. Hope you guys are excited. Good cheese. All right, this is how we're gonna start the day off. I got a package in the mail that I'm really excited about. It's from my buddy Zach. Zach's got a YouTube channel. I'm gonna plug him below. Zach was with us in Vegas, and I'm a big fan of supporting other people that have the same dream, same goal. Support your friends, right? Jake's got a YouTube channel. Tag below, right? I like Zach's logo so much, and I saw he posted this on his story, so shout out to Zach. I had to get one. And I don't even know how to pronounce his last name, but I had to get one of these. I'm not gonna put it on my truck, I'm gonna put it in my office, but I love his logo so much that I had to get one of these. And I'm excited, because I just wanna show love. So he sent this from Missouri. Shout out to Zach. Fritz, something, I don't know, anyway. Shout out to Zach, because I love this logo so much. It's so clean, it's so simple. I'm a big fan of branding and marketing, and I just love the way that turned out. Jake's looking at what?
You can see me.
You see yourself in it?
What up?
What up? I probably shouldn't leave that in the video. What up, Flood? Anyway, shout out to Zach. I'm blinding you over here. Shout out to Zach. I'm gonna be putting it in my office with some neon lights behind it or something.
Shout out to Zach.
Shout out to Zach, yeah. Not that Zach. You start making videos then. Look, it's been one of those days. It's been raining and cold, and it's a freaking nightmare. But something a little bit different for you guys on the channel. What do they call it? That's not suicide. Was it butterfly doors? Oh yeah. That's cool. The I-8 on the Lexani wheels and Lexani tires. My man's got it on Toro if you guys want to rent it though. So the i8 with the 22s, that's dope. Something a little bit different for you guys on the channel than the normal lifted truck content. 22s on the i8 is freaking dope. Let me know what you guys think. Should we do more sports car content? Should I go to Miami and film more sports car stuff? Let me know what you guys think. I think this one turned out really good though. I know he's gonna enjoy it. These days where it's raining and stuff makes the day go by so slow, and it becomes so annoying to be here because you can't film nothing, it's raining, it's so stupid. But they're finishing up our black GMC with the silver Mcgaughys kit, so let's go look at that one. It's been cold and rainy and we're under a tornado watch at the moment, but we're still filming trucks outside that get done same day for you. Eaton dropped his truck off this morning at about 9 o'clock and it's been done for about an hour, hour and a half. I've just been kind of bullshitting for lack of a better term, and it's 4:20 and he's about to come get the truck. So I want to show you guys the 7 to 9 inch silver Mcgaughys kit that we put on this Denali. I actually had the same silver kit on my truck for a long time. I've got the 9-inch premium kit from Mcgaughys now, powder coated illusion red, and ironically I still have the lift kit sitting in the back of my truck right now, that same silver kit with the upper control arms. Now we opted out of the upper control arms on this one. It doesn't need to be done on these trucks, it just looks really nice. But we did that beautiful 7 to 9 inch silver Mcgaughys kit. I really like the way that the silver turned out on this truck. Gives the truck a little bit of just an accent color. You got a black Denali with the chrome accents all the way around. Chrome TIS 22 inch 544, TIS 544 chrome 22 inch wheels and the Comforcers. But that silver Mcgaughys kit accenting on the black Denali, it's the best choice. Now would the black and milled or the black with the billet accent Mcgaughys kit have matched better? Yes, but if you want my honest opinion, that silver looks a lot better against the black. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Bleep that out. Look, all right, so we did the F-150 yesterday. We got the Tacoma that's still in there getting its stuff done. Bunch of lift kits, bunch of work. We had all the bays tied up. We were missing rough country parts. We're missing wheels for the Tacoma that I haven't showed you guys yet. It's been a nightmare of a week, and that's the vibe of the video. But we got the rough country finished up. Do you remember where he's from? He's from Alabama, isn't he?
Yeah, it's like a third time he's been back too.
Yeah, we've built a couple of trucks for him. We did a Tahoe that was really big on FTS one time for him. 2023 Chevy 1500 High Country, beautiful color. The white is always a great, clean setup to do. We got the High Country stocks with the 37-inch Toyo MTs. It's not a mud grab, but the Toyos are a close second. 6-inch rough country 37s, simple, clean, in and out. This one would have been done same day as well if we hadn't been missing rough country pieces, but that's the honest truth of what happens at the shops. I never put stuff like that in the videos, but because of the video, because of the week, it's what happens when you try and rush stuff. Everybody wants to get stuff done quick, same day, and every now and then stuff happens. You know, there's nothing that we can do.
Get out of the way, bro.
Hey, look, all jokes aside, we appreciate you driving from Alabama. We've got the truck, Eaton's about to come pick his truck up with a Mcgaughys kit up front from South Carolina. It's just, we're blessed. I say it every time. Thank you guys for coming from so far away. 6-inch rough country 37s, 9-inch Mcgaughys on 35s and 12 wides. In and out, almost same day.
It's raining, let's go.
All right, Wednesday is day 3. It seems like it's getting colder and colder as the week goes on. Day before Thanksgiving, last day to finish up any of the builds before the holiday. I'm excited today specifically because of this 2020-2021 body style Chevy that we got behind us. Getting some 2614 Artem Curvises, one of my favorite Artem wheels, and the 35-1350-26 Fury MT. I've always talked about on the channel how I love the way that wheel specifically and the 35-1350 Fury fits together, and on a red Chevy, you really can't beat it. I was talking about this Tacoma that we finished up yesterday as well. 16 to 18 body style Tacoma. We did a 6 to 6.5 inch max track with some 18-inch fuel shocks in the bronze color. 35-inch Nittos. You can't beat the Trail Grappler. Favorite tire of all time. The fuels, the Nittos, the max track, that orange color with the bronze actually turned out really good together. But wanted to show some love to my Tacoma people in the video today. Make sure to show some love because I know you guys want to see some of the builds that happen up here. We don't don't film the Tacomas as much, the Fords and the Rams, so I try and put those in the videos as much as possible. But something a little different for you guys to see today, the fuels, the Nittos on the Tacoma, and then this one will be getting knocked out here in just a couple minutes as well. Power of YouTube is an amazing thing. You cannot tell me that the 26s did not 100% change the look of this truck. We went from maybe wanting to be seen in public to needing a tighter belt because the ladies are going to be ripping your pants off. Something about the way the 2614 Artems have this kind of curve to the lip of the wheel, and it's not super squared off compared to the stretched from the factory look of the Furies, is one of my favorite wheel and tire setups. And on this just beautiful fire truck red, could not be a better combination. All black 2614 Artem Curvis, 35 1350 26 Fury MT1, red Chevy 1500. Easily one of the best setups that you could do on a truck like this. I love it.